Falling short, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the exciting world of English expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, fall short. Stay tuned as we explore various contexts where this phrase can be used and why it's important to fully grasp its nuances to enhance your English skills. So, let's not fall short of our learning goals and jump right in. At first glance, you might picture someone trying to jump across a gap and not quite making it. Well, you're not far off. When someone says that something falls short, it means that it does not reach a certain standard or that someone has failed to achieve what was expected or required. For example, if you're playing darts and your dart doesn't reach the dartboard, you could say that your throw fell short. In a more abstract sense, if a movie you were excited about wasn't as good as you hoped, you might say that the movie fell short of your expectations. Let's look at how fall short is used in different sentences. Despite her hard work, she fell short of the first place finish she'd hoped for. The fundraising event fell short by $500 of its goal. The reform policies promised much but fell short in delivering substantial change. In each of these sentences, fall short is used to express a discrepancy between the goal and the actual result. This phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts. Falls short of the mark, often used in the context of missing a specific target. Falls short of expectations, commonly used when talking about something that was less successful than anticipated. While learning, it's crucial to avoid certain mistakes. Don't use fall short to describe physical distance literally. It's a metaphorical phrase. Be mindful of the tense. Saying fell shorts is incorrect. The past tense is fell short. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning of fall short for you. Remember, learning a language is full of surprises, and understanding phrases like this is a fantastic way to enrich your English. Thanks for watching, and don't let your language learning journey fall short of greatness. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.